Thutha wa thingira wa iregi gukorwo ugithakario, ciuria ni ciumiritie cia uria kigina gia thingira wa iregi gikoretwo gikihuthika na kana no kuongerera mathire ndeto iria murugamiriri wa thingira wa iregi Kato Ole Metito ateteire.
Do you still think this is very necessary to continue with the renovations, considering that there is that financial constraint, and you have lined up so much that needs to be done?
And this financial year beginning July last year, we have not done any renovation of this state house and state lodges because the budget was completely removed.
Kato arige ikaroine na kamiti ya ugitiri bunge-ini ya bururi augite mwaka uyu thingira wa iregi ndukoretwo na kigina kia ukuria.
The thing that was completely removed from state house is development budget. This ongoing financial year we have zero.
Kato no augite kigina kiria gikoretwo gikihuthika miako-ini ya thingira kiumite kuri mbiraru na ruhonge rwa ugaceru.
6 billion is going to recurrence and only 715 million is going for development. And I know this is a big office, and Kenyans are waiting for services from this office.
Funding is not through this 1017. Some is through NIS, some is through defense. They really took it to make it a security area, and so they are the ones doing it. It's not this vote 1017 where I am the accounting officer.
Kuringana nake uthaka uria utafanitio thingira-ini wa iregi ni undu utari wa tafanio miaka 117 mihituku, akihinyiriria nyumba ici nyingi ni ikurite na gikiro kinene.
Really emphasize the fact that these state houses and state lodges are aging structures, really aging. Like the one in Nairobi, the main state house Nairobi, what is being done, it has not been done for 117 years since it was built. 117 years.
Gukiri uguo, Kato akiuga bajeti ya mwaka wa 2024 na 2025 ni yarengirwo na ciringi bilioni 5, undu uria uhotometie murutire wa wira wa thingira wa iregi. Riu akiendekithia bajeti ino kuongererwa na ciringi bilioni 3.3 mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2025 na 2026. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua Waboshi.